every formula is tested for skin safety and compatibility.
This level of purity takes time, energy, and precision, and that's where the cost comes from.
The ultimate luxury serum, yours for just $150.
Welcome to our lab. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how a $150 vitamin C serum is made step by step.
Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes lab videos like this.
While others rely on cheap mass production, we utilize a scientific, laboratory approach to guarantee the highest quality.
It's crucial to understand the difference. We operate not as a factory, but as a state-of-the-art scientific laboratory. Not all vitamin C is created equal. As you can see, the cheaper alternative remains cloudy, while the high-grade formula dissolves completely.
It breaks down quickly when exposed to oxygen, light, or heat. To prevent this, pure vitamin C must be carefully synthesized under controlled conditions.
Multiple purification steps remove even microscopic impurities. Hyaluronic acid is added to lock in moisture and support vitamin C.
Ferulic acid stabilizes vitamin C and protects it from breaking down.
Vitamin E works alongside vitamin C to boost antioxidant power. If mixing isn't perfect, the vitamin C serum won't work evenly on skin. Every rotation is calculated for precision.
Each ingredient is blended under strict conditions to preserve vitamin C's potency.
Vitamin C only works at a very specific pH level.
The optimal pH balance for vitamin C serum is around 5.5, indicated here by the green light.
As the probe stabilizes, we can see the pH level is 4.8.
Too much heat destroys vitamin C before it ever reaches your skin.
The oxidation levels are spiking slightly. I see it. Rerouting coolant flow to stabilize the temperature. The pH levels are dropping slightly. Adjusting now.
Good catch. Oxidation levels are stable.
Stabilization keeps vitamin C effective from the first drop to the last.
Microencapsulation protects vitamin C until it touches your skin. Every formula is tested for skin safety and compatibility.
Oxidation testing ensures the serum stays clear and powerful. These tests simulate months, even years of shelf life. Each batch is refined and tested to ensure maximum effectiveness.
This level of purity takes time, energy, and precision, and that's where the cost comes from.
Even tiny mistakes can ruin an entire batch.
Every bottle is inspected before it leaves the lab.
From our facility to every corner of the planet, we are redefining global distribution.
And that's how a $150 vitamin C serum is made from start to finish.